Drones have become a growing problem worldwide. Mitsubishi Electric offers a system that effectively disables intrusive drones. Comprising just 3 lightweight units, the system provides instant protection over a wide area. The system can be operated easily and can simultaneously detect and jam various drone frequencies. Multiple targets can be disrupted simultaneously. After jamming starts, the drone quickly becomes inoperable. If the drone has a camera, the system can also jam image transmission from the drone to the controller. The system can also jam GPS signals, which further limits drone operation. This experiment demonstrates the system's capabilities. First, a single drone approaches from the right. As soon as it enters the jamming area, the drone stops moving and is forced to land. Next, 2 drones approach from the right. Multiple drones can be detected and jammed. Now, let's see what happens when drones approach from both sides. This system reliably detects and jams multiple drones approaching simultaneously from different directions. Finally, this is a long-distance test. The drone is being operated from a distance of 300 meters. Detection and jamming of the drone is being performed from 1 kilometer away. The system can detect and jam drones even at long distances. The Mitsubishi Electric Drone Deterrence System can protect any area from the threat of drones. The system is already on the market and has proven its capabilities.